In this Landlord how-to video, we'll be walking you through how to view and understand liv.rent's Trust Score, our built-in tenant screening tool. This handy feature was designed to simplify your tenant screening, freeing up your precious time while giving you a more comprehensive view of an applicant's suitability. We'll start by showing you how to view a prospective tenant's Trust Score. Then, we'll go step by step through each individual section to give you a better idea of how we calculate the score. In order to view a renter's Trust Score, they must first apply to your listing. Your landlord account must also be ID verified to open their application. We go over how you can share your listing to renters outside of the liv.rent platform in our How to Invite Renters to Apply video. Once a renter has applied to your listing, start by clicking View Listing. Then click Applications. Here, you can view and sort all the applications you've received. Clicking View on an application will prompt you to unlock this renter's Trust Score. Landlords on liv.rent's free Essentials plan can use the Trust Score twice, or you can upgrade to our Growth or Business plan to unlock additional Trust Score uses per month, plus additional time-saving features like automated rent collection and lease protection addendums. Simply click Unlock to proceed and you'll see an overall summary at the top with a Trust Score color and category, ranging from poor to excellent. Going beyond a standard credit check, the Trust Score gives renters a score out of 100 based on key information like their income-to-debt ratio, court records, employment verification, and more, powered by Equifax and liv.rent's manual verification processes. The first section is the renter's credit. Making up 80 out of 100 points, this information is pulled directly from Equifax credit reports. Here, you'll see the applicant's payment record, bankruptcy index, collections record, and credit utilization. You'll see on the right-hand side of the screen that each individual section has its own tag: excellent, great, average, or poor. Simply click on the question mark button next to each section title and you'll see a further explanation on what each section represents and what the renter's rating means. Credit history is a huge part of a renter's application, but it doesn't tell the whole story. That's why liv.rent included a unique trustworthiness portion of the Trust Score. This portion is scored out of 20 points, based on a few key pieces of information. The first you'll see is ID verification. Here, you can see what type of document the renter uploaded to verify their identity, as well as a color-coded verified status on the right-hand side. Next is social verification, which is an optional step. If tenants choose, they can connect their LinkedIn profile to their liv.rent account to further bolster their application. The employment and income verification sections have a quick description of the type of document uploaded to verify the information provided on the renter's profile. liv.rent supports PDF uploads so renters can upload multiple pay stubs or additional documents. As with any information submitted to the platform, these documents are protected by multi-layered encryption protocols. This same technology is used to secure chat within the platform, and documents can be uploaded there as well. For each verification section, there are 3 possible statuses. Verified means that our compliance team has checked the user uploaded documents and confirmed their accuracy and validity. Pending simply means that our team hasn't had a chance to get to it yet. And rejected means that the document hasn't met our strict guidelines and that we've reached out to the tenant to request additional documentation. For any documents submitted, you may click View Document to open and check the information yourself. Through our manual verification processes, liv.rent seeks to save landlords time spent messaging back and forth, requesting appropriate documentation during the application process. Moving on, we'll see the income-to-rent ratio directly below. liv.rent uses the industry standard 3:1 ratio of monthly income to rent in order to gauge a renter's ability to pay rent on time. It's important to keep in mind that in some rental markets, this ratio may be harder to meet due to seasonal trends and higher than average rent prices. Keep in mind that this metric also doesn't take into account additional income from roommates or a partner who are also applying to the unit. The final piece of information you'll see on the Trust Score is court records. This is simply a background check using publicly available records and will display whether or not we found any court records during a search. If a renter's Trust Score shows not enough info, this means that they have not completed a credit check through Equifax. Most of the time, this indicates that they're renting from abroad or don't have a credit history in Canada. In this case, you'll still be able to access their income and employment verification documents from within their application. As you can see, the trust score makes it easy to evaluate and compare renters with wide-ranging information and an easy-to-understand score based on a variety of factors. Using this tool, landlords can enhance their tenant screening, making better informed decisions and finding qualified renters quickly, safely, and easily. For more how-to videos and guides to liv.rent's landlord tools, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.